Welcome back to Tightwad Repairs. Before starting any project, make sure that you have all the appropriate safety materials needed. Consult your owner's manual, which can usually be found online with a simple Google search, and read through the safety precautions and the directions the manufacturer might have provided for the service you plan to complete.
Today we're looking at the MTD Gold 7-speed lawn tractor, and we're replacing the upper drive belt. The first step when working on your mower is to remove the battery, and then you also need to remove the key from the ignition. You should also engage the parking brake by pressing it all the way down and then moving the variable speed switch to the parking brake location.
The next step is to remove the braces that hold the battery in place. They just lift up and you can just pull them up. And the same way with that one. Lift it up and a little bit and pull it out. Now you have access to the pulleys that the belt's going to go around. There's 3 pulleys. Of the 3 pulleys, the smallest one is the one that has tension applied to it by a spring. So we can come around to the side. Make sure your deck's all the way in the lowest position so you have access to it. And you can see that there's a spring right here that comes through the side of the mower that applies tension to this pulley. So if we can loosen this pulley, it'll move that way and we can get the belt off. The easiest way to remove a spring is to tie a rope or a string around the loop of the spring. You can then pull on it and release the spring. If you leave your rope or string, it'll be easier to pull through later. So now the pulley's loose and we can work on getting our belt off of the pulleys. Now that the spring is off the pulley, you can pull the pulley to the left and the belt will slide off. So I'll pull it to the left, the belt comes off, and then I just take it from around my other 2 pulleys. If you look closely, you'll see that the biggest pulley is too close to the side of the mower to get the belt off, so we'll have to loosen it a little bit. You can put a screwdriver in the hole on the pulley to hold it in place as you take your wrench and loosen the pulley. As you can see, my belt was very worn out on the inside, causing it to slip whenever there's a strong strain on the mower. As I always suggest, try to replace all of your parts with genuine MTD factory parts. These are the model numbers. The original model number is the 754 number, and the replacement part is the 954 number. As always, start with the most difficult pulley first. So I've put the belt on the largest pulley, then I'll work my way down to the next largest pulley and then to the smallest tension pulley. Make sure the belt is on all 3 pulleys before you tighten the nut back on the large drive pulley. Once the belt is around all 3 pulleys and you've made sure that it's in the groove, it's time to replace the spring. Using your string or rope that you had around it before, pull it back through the hole and lock it into place. It's now time to replace the battery supports. Slide them back into the slot. And they hang like this. The first one's done. Now the second one's done, and you can drop your battery down inside the compartment. When putting your battery back in, always remember that the positive goes towards the front of the lawn tractor and the negative towards the back. Connect the positive wire terminal first, and then the negative. Be sure to tighten your wire terminals. Put the battery bracket back in place and slide the cap down over your positive terminal. This completes the video for installing the upper drive belt on an MTD Gold lawn tractor. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting other videos related to this same lawn tractor on my channel as possible.